The BMW Vision Next 100 is a futuristic concept car unveiled in 2016 to celebrate BMW's 100th anniversary. It embodies the brand's vision for the next century of mobility, blending autonomous driving, sustainability, and emotional connection between man and machine. Designed as a fully electric, self-driving car with a traditional driving option, it features a sleek, aerodynamic design with a dynamic shape that adapts while in motion, what BMW calls a live geometry. This system consists of 800 small moving triangles on the dashboard and sides that communicate information to the driver and passengers, offering a unique visual and tactile experience. Inside, the Vision Next 100 features two main driving modes: Boost, for manual driving with augmented assistance, and Ease, which transforms the cabin into a lounge-like space while the car drives autonomously. The steering wheel and center console retract in Ease mode, and the seats rotate inward to allow passengers to converse more naturally. The windshield functions as a large head-up display, providing real-time information through augmented reality such as speed, navigation cues, and driving conditions directly in the driver's field of vision. The car is built using lightweight carbon fiber and recycled materials, underlining BMW's commitment to sustainability. What makes the Vision Next 100 more than just a design exercise is its deep integration of artificial intelligence and predictive technologies. The vehicle learns from the driver's habits, preferences, and environment to continuously improve the driving experience. BMW envisions a future where vehicles are not just transport tools, but intelligent companions capable of interacting, adapting, and even learning. As part of the BMW Group's Vision Vehicle series, including Mini and Rolls-Royce concepts, the Vision Next 100 sets a bold benchmark for future mobility, balancing autonomy, emotion, and innovation in one seamless package.